This is an alert to tell you about a creature that has been lurking in your city. In the last 15 hours, 124 victims have been reported missing due to this creature. The creature is called the Zacic. This sinister being now bears the ghastly visage of grotesque aberration. With a frame twisted and contorted, it possesses 100 eyes, each one a sentinel for the shadow realm from whence it came. Its arms, grotesquely elongated, are always ready to snatch its unsuspecting prey. Yet, the most unnerving aspect of the Zacic lies in the pulsating hues of red and blue that emanate from its form, casting an eerie glow in the darkness. When it senses a human presence, it vanishes into the very fabric of the surroundings, becoming an elusive specter that stalks its prey unseen. The dread of encountering the Zacic is marked by a series of haunting signs, each one a harbinger of impending doom. Walls marred with inexplicable streaks of red ink, everyday items vanishing without rhyme or reason, and torn pictures and paintings adorning the walls like the tattered remnants of forgotten reality, all serve as ear omens of a Zacic's presence. Whispers among those who have crossed paths with this eldritch horror speak of a paralyzing fear that grips the soul when one becomes aware of being hunted by the unseen. For once the Zacic sets its sights on a victim, there is little hope of escape from its relentless pursuit through the veiled corridors of existence. If you wish to survive the dreaded Zacic, you can only do any of these things listed. As the first line of defense, hastily lock all doors and windows, sealing off any potential entry points to thwart the creature's relentless pursuit. Vigilance is key. Should the telltale signs of a Zacic's presence manifest, red ink stains, vanishing objects, or torn remnants of reality, take heed and prepare for the worst. If the chilling entity breaches the sanctity of your home, seek refuge in the darkest recesses, a secluded attic or basement, where its sinister influence may be weakened. However, if the Zacic closes in on your hiding place, and all avenues of escape are cut off, desperate flight becomes the sole recourse. Remember, conventional weapons are futile against this eldritch horror, and attempts to relocate will only hasten its pursuit. In the face of such relentless malevolence, survival hinges on swift action, unwavering resolve, and a willingness to confront the shadows that lurk beyond the veil of reality. Remember this EAS alert so you can be safe when the Zacic comes in about 10 minutes. Remember, 1. Lock all doors and windows. 2. Stay in a dark area. 3. Run away. Do not use firearms against the creature. And also do not move houses. This EAS alert has been scheduled to ensure your safety. There is someone in your house. Open the door.